Hello superstars, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to earn $1 daily. Yes, daily. In order for you to understand and know how this thing works, you need to watch this video to the end. So let's get into this video. So this platform is a new platform and it is really paying. You will get $1 daily and the minimum withdrawal is $1. It means once you have gotten that $1 a day, you can withdraw that $1. So the name of this platform is CD Chain. I'm going to be leaving the link to this platform in the description box. So watch this video to the end and don't miss out any part. So what you just have to put first is your email. Once you put your email, they are going to send you a code. You receive the code to your email. You put in your phone number. If you're from Nigeria, you click on that side, then look for where it says Nigeria. You look for Nigeria. Is this a new platform? You look for where it says Nigeria. Okay, so here's Nigeria. So click on Nigeria, then put in your password, repeat your password again. Then once you use my link, my code will be showing down here. In this other part, my code will be showing down here. Then you click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, it's going to bring you down to the login page. So I've already signed up on this and I'm already on this, so I'm just going to log in. So this is my sign up details. So I'm going to click this is my sign in details. So I'm going to click on sign in. So I have signed in. Please, if you're new here to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, please like this video. If you have any question or you have any review about this platform, please leave it down in the comment section and I'm going to get back to you. Okay, so let's click on sign in. Just have to wait for a little while. Okay, this is a new platform. Okay, so let's just wait and it's going to sign us in. Okay, if you have any question, don't forget to leave it down there in the comment section. I'm going to reply you as soon as I can. Okay, so let's just wait. Okay, so literally this is how the platform is when you have logged in. Okay, when you have logged in, this is where it is going to bring you to when you have logged in, this is where the platform is going to bring you to. When you have logged in, this is exactly how it will look like. Once you click on sign in, it's going to bring you up to something like this, but I don't want to waste your time. That's why I went over to this other site. Okay, so once you're on like this, it's a mining platform. What you just have to do is just to activate your miner, and in 24 hours, that is 1 day, the miner is going to generate for you $1, which you can withdraw straight to your bank account or to your crypto wallet. Okay, so activate your miner. What you just have to do is to click on this first miner which says free. So once you just click on that miner which says free, it's going to bring you up to somewhere like this. It means you're paying zero for this miner. So what you just have to do is to confirm payment. So once you click on confirm payment, you click on this place where it says confirm. Click on this place where it says confirm. I have already bought my own. That's why I was seeing one list period up here. I already confirmed my own. So what you just have to do is just to click on confirm payment. Initially it's going to be zero if you have not clicked on confirm payment, but once you click on confirm payment, it's going to turn out to be 1. Now once you have clicked on this confirm payment is not done, what you have to do now is to go back. Now in this part where it says my miner, you click on that my miner to check if truly you have a miner. Okay, this is to check if truly you have a miner. Okay, so let's check if the miner has been activated. Okay, I think this internet is so. Let me pause this video and play it back when I restore the internet. Okay guys, so I've restored my internet, and as you can see right there, the miner has been activated. So what you just have to do is just to wait for 24 hours and that miner is going to generate $1 for you that you can withdraw at any time of your choice, because the minimum withdrawal is $1. So that's just literally how to make money online with this seed chain app. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, please like this channel, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any comment, or if you have any question, or have anything to tell us about this platform, please just leave it down there in the comment section. Check in the description box to get a link down to this platform. Okay, catch you up in my next video.